Shocking case studies. Thrive. Thrive is a digital advertising agency from the U.S. with offices in Dallas, Orlando, and other U.S. locations. Objective. The company's objective was to see how high the Facebook remarketing pixel could increase metrics such as audience, engagement, and reach on a client's campaign. Strategy. The company's strategy was to untarget vague audience criteria such as interests and behaviors, to create lookalike audiences that were similar to the client's current customer base, and to position the remarketing pixel in key areas around the client's website. Results? The campaign achieved peak engagement during the first 3 months of the campaign, and their clients' referral traffic increased by 132% in a single month. Inbound Ascension. Inbound Ascension is a digital remarketing agency founded by Daniel Danes-Hutt, an internationally recognized and certified digital marketer and marketing consultant. Objective. Daniel's objective was to reach qualified leads whom to sell a digital product in the beta testing stage of development through Facebook remarketing. Strategy. Daniel set up remarketing campaigns that only targeted very interested leads, and he only served remarketing ads on very specific placements. Daniel also only spent from 40 cents to 44 cents per click-through as a challenge. Results? The campaign made back $297 from each targeted lead, which represents a 695% return on investment from such a small amount per lead. Chubbies. Chubbies is an in-store and online retailer that specializes in colorful, retro-inspired swimwear. Objective. The company's objective was to increase their reach as well as brand recall. Strategy. The company split up its Facebook remarketing campaigns with different specific placements. One campaign set was targeting the newsfeed, and another campaign was targeting the right-hand column. Results? The remarketing campaigns achieved a pretty cool 35.5% return on investment, lowered their average cost per action to 72% below average, and increased their average conversions by 4.8 times within 12 hours of campaign launches. Marketing Jump Leads. Marketing Jump Leads is a UK-based marketing agency that has helped around 700 businesses in the UK to succeed. Objective. The marketing agency's objective was to remarket to lost customers of a British spa and wellness business. Strategy? The agency created a remarketing campaign to target a customer file audience where customers who had not booked a service in 3 months were added. These lost customers received a time-restricted remarketing offer to come back to the spa. Results? On average, there are 10 to 12 lost customers coming back to the spa each month, thanks to such Facebook remarketing efforts, each one spending from £80 to £100 per booking. James Grandstaff. James Grandstaff is a digital marketing strategist that specializes in Facebook advertising. Objective? James's objective was to help a client in the horse training niche who wanted to increase profitability from his existing traffic. Strategy? James created a Facebook remarketing campaign that targeted website visitors who have completed certain actions and offered them different incentives, such as coupons for them to come back and use on the client's website. Results? James's Facebook remarketing campaign reduced the client's ad spend by almost 4 times, from $196 all the way down to $59, and got 2 times more conversions as well. Design Pickle. Design Pickle is a cloud-based graphic design company that provides personalized graphic design support services. Objective? The company wanted to promote their innovative design service through a free trial that allowed its leads to try its service. Strategy? The company implemented a Facebook remarketing campaign that targeted visitors on the sales page. Results? Conversions from the sales page accounted for 17 for every 30 customers, with 50% of new customers generated through the remarketing campaign. Brian Morin. Brian Morin is a digital marketer and the creator of Samcart, an online tool used by entrepreneurs to maximize their sales. Objective. Brian's objective was to test how effective Facebook remarketing would be to increase sales of his courses and other training products. Strategy. Brian created a custom audience to remarket to his existing email list, a lookalike version of his existing email list, and a custom audience using Facebook's native advertising features. Results? Brian was able to earn $14,114 in profits after spending $8,240 on its remarketing campaign. V-Roll. V-Roll is a video advertising company that specializes in auto-generating video ads for Facebook and YouTube. Objective. V-Roll's objective was to improve their campaign performance, to track referral conversions from Facebook, and to generate leads to reach other businesses. Strategy. V-Roll implemented Facebook's Remarketing Pixel on its website to retarget visitors with video ads in Facebook. Results? By implementing Facebook remarketing on its advertising efforts, V-Roll was able to lower its average cost per click and to generate 122 new signups during the first 2 weeks, which are generating $11,000 in monthly revenue as of now. Paul Raimondo. Paul Raimondo is a successful digital marketer that specializes in creating Facebook marketing strategies and devising digital marketing funnels. Objective. Paul's objective was to create a specific sales funnel for one of his clients, which allowed leads to opt in for content related to a product in order to drive sales. Strategy. Paul used Facebook ads to create campaigns to reach and nurture leads through relevant lead magnets, and then created custom audiences where he added leads in the funnel and then retargeted them with product ads. Results? Paul was able to generate a revenue of $163,969 from $5,989 in ad spend for his client. MyFixCycles. MyFixCycles is a Canadian online retailer of single-speed and fixed-gear bikes for city dwellers. Objective. The company's objective was to improve their advertising performance. Strategy. The advertising agency working with MyFixCycles created a series of custom audiences to target past website visitors, people who have added products to a shopping cart in the past 14 days, and people who have made a purchase in the past 180 days. Results? This Facebook remarketing campaign setup generated $15 in revenue from every $1 spent on Facebook remarketing ads.